Hello everyone, today I will show you how to link a Discord server to TikTok, and here's how it is done. First, launch your Discord app and pick the server you want to share. Click the three dots next to the server name and select Invite. In the invite settings, choose No Limit to make sure the link won't expire. Then copy the link to your clipboard. Next, head over to TikTok and go to your profile. Many guides suggest putting the link in your bio, but it won't be clickable there. Instead, tap the three dots in the upper right corner to open your settings. Go to Manage Account and switch to a Pro account. This is free. Choose Business and select a category like Gaming. Then skip any unnecessary prompts. After setting up your Pro account, go to Edit Profile. You'll find a spot to add a website. Paste your Discord invite link there and save your changes. Now your profile will have a clickable link that takes users directly to your Discord server, making it easy for them to join. That is everything you need to know about how to link a Discord server to TikTok. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.